Hello everyone, I am from the Hotwix Media team. In this video, we would be covering on how to update the contents of the category page from content management system. Currently, we are on the login page of the content management system of EasyRP application, and I will be logging with my tenant ID as demo tenant. This is the landing page of the content management system. Here I will go to menus, select category pages menu item. The system displays the list of the category pages present in the system. Also, we can search for a category if the number of categories are more. The content manager can make the copies of the category page by clicking on the copy button and can have the different versions of the page as per the need. To edit the category page, we would be clicking on the edit button. This is the main page where the content manager can perform various updations over the different sections like SEO settings section, description section, and category image section. The storefront where we would be verifying our reflected changes would be this one. Here I would be selecting bottoms as my category, as all the updations would be taking place under this category. Now again moving to the category page. In SEO settings section, we have the first field as URL. Now before we make any updations over the URL field, let's verify the URL over the front store as well. Here we can see that the URL for the category page is same as the URL being set at category page. Now we would be updating the URL field, saving the changes, moving to front store, refreshing the page. Here we can see that the URL for the category has been updated successfully. Similarly, the title, keywords, and description of the SEO settings section can be updated, which would be helpful to optimize the result of the search engine. Now moving to the description section, here we have what you see is what you get editor for the content manager to easily update the contents of the category page, where the content manager can update the text in natural English without the bothering the knowledge of HTML he possesses. I am updating the text as demo text and saving the changes. Now let's verify the description text over the front store as well. Here we would be refreshing our page. Here we can see that the demo text has been updated over the category section successfully. Now again moving to the category page, we have another section as category image section. Here the content manager can update the image of the category with a supportable file present in his system. The content manager can also remove the default set category image as well. The application also provides the flexibility to the content manager to enable the category page for A/B testing by clicking on this button, and can also go back to the list of the category pages present in his system by clicking on this button. So from the single page, content manager can perform certain updations over the category which can be verified over the front store as well. Thank you.